Use flat tweezers to pry the claw out from the spool holder. When removing the claw, make sure this part stays in place. Remove the other two claws using the same method. Note the position of the bottom cover clip. Rotate the bottom cover to the left and remove it. Push out the inner spool. Remove the top cover. Remove the spring assembly. Apply grease with a cotton swab. Apply to the top inner circle. Apply to the top outer circle. Apply on both ends. Install the spring assembly. Note the spring position when installed correctly. Install the spring with the short side on the plastic clip, as shown. Tension the spring and slide it in the top clip. Close the top cover. Install the outer cover. Install the bottom cover and rotate right to secure clip. Install the 3 claws by simply pressing them in.